Hey guys, we're going to learn today on how to translate word problems into equations or expressions. Now, you probably don't even know maybe what an expression is, but I will talk about that in another short video in just a minute. Before I start that video, I just want to go over this document right here. I will have this uploaded in your daily do today. It is called Words and Math, and it's just a quick summary of words that mean you're adding, words that mean you're subtracting, words that mean you're dividing, words that mean that you're multiplying. And then I also want to focus on what I call the turnaround words, because those are typically what messes you guys up the most. So if you're reading a word problem and you see the word that says something like, says something like the sum of, oh my, you see something that says the sum of one and a number, it's asking you to add the two together. You might see, if you see the word add or plus or increased by, normally you know that that means adding, but sum actually is defined as the answer to an addition problem. For subtraction, the word difference is the one I want to point out the most. It means that you are subtracting. If you see the difference of x and 3, it means x minus 3. Now, if we see subtracted, minus, decrease, take away, normally we know that that means subtraction for the most part, but difference means subtraction. Now, with division, the one I want you to focus on is the word quotient. Quotient means dividing. So if I say the quotient of 6 and 3, I'm saying 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So I'm dividing those two numbers. So quotient means division. If I say ratio divided by, obviously divided by means you're dividing. Per and shared, that also means division. For multiplication, let's look at that word product. Product, if I say the product of 3 and x, I mean 3 times x. It means the answer to a multiplication problem. Also for multiplication, I want you to notice the word of, because we just finished doing this in our last test when we had 1/5 of 30. We did 1/5 times 30. So keep that in mind. Then for an equals, when you say, if I said the product of 3 and x equals 21, then I know that that is going to be an equal sign is going to be there. The word is, are, were, will be, gives, totals, all mean this is an equation and we need to make sure to have an equal sign. Now, turnaround words are less than and more than. Less than is the one I want to focus on the most, because when we see less than, we always think we're subtracting. So if I said 3 less than 2, you would probably think it means 3 minus 2, 3 less than 2. But the word less than is a turnaround word, and it actually means 2 minus 3. So I tell my kids when they see the word less than to make a minus sign. And then if I say 3 less than, whatever I said before the word less than, I put it behind it. And whatever is after the word less than, I put it in front of it. Okay, I know that sounds crazy, but you'll see some examples that'll make a whole lot more sense in just a moment. Let's look at the notes now.